Tired of manually managing your Google Docs? Let's dive into connecting Google Docs with N8n, the powerful workflow automation platform, in just a few simple steps. Start by creating a new workflow in N8n. Next, set up a trigger node to initiate your workflow, such as a webhook, which listens for incoming data to kick things off. Now, drag and drop a Google Docs node onto the canvas. This is where the magic happens. To connect to your Google Docs account, you'll need to create credentials. Click on the Credentials drop-down and select Create New. Choose Google Oath 2 as the authentication method and follow the prompts to authorize N8n to access your Google Docs. You'll need to grant the necessary permissions. Once authenticated, explore the various operations available, like creating, updating, or retrieving documents. Configure the Google Docs node to perform your desired action, such as creating a document from a template or updating existing content. Connect your trigger node to the Google Docs node to complete the workflow. And there you have it. With Google Docs integrated into N8n, you can now automate your document workflows and streamline content generation, making your life a whole lot easier.